Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. Today's tutorial is on this eye look right here. I kept the skin out because it's the same exact thing every single time. So if you're interested in seeing this look, then by all means, just keep watching. I am using one palette today for the most part. This is the Desert Oasis palette from BH Cosmetics. It's really nice and really affordable. I start by picking up this transition shade and pretty much just wiping it into my crease, blending it out, adding more on, and then using a clean brush to blend out again. And then I'm picking up this shade down here. It's kind of more of a peachy brown, as you can see better now that I have it on my eye. I am wiping this in the exact same spots. We're just adding colors on to make my crease a little bit more defined. I'm going to go back in with that first brown and put some more on here in a second. I cannot remember if I edited that in or out. But either way, after I'm done pretty much blending every single time I add a new color, I go back in with this big fluffy brush just to make sure everything is nice and even. I'm going in with the darkest shade in the palette. I'm packing that onto my outer corner first, and I'm going to slowly start blending up and in. I'm not bringing it all the way in my crease yet. To cut my crease, I just draw a line of concealer on my lid, look up, and trace. And that is all you have to do. It's so easy. And then I'm adding this gorgeous pigment. This is by NYX in the shade Stunner. It's a really pretty, kind of like a rose gold and a gold cross. And then I'm adding on a little bit more of that dark color and a little bit more of that peachy color to just kind of blend everything together and make sure we have a really nice, pretty transition. So this look is a lot of going in with color, blending it out, going in, blending it out. So I've done my face here for the most part, and now I'm going back in with that peachy brown shade, and pretty much I'm taking that from inner corner to outer corner. And then once I have that blended on, I'm just picking up that dark brown shade, connecting that with the bottom of my wing, which I did off camera because I am challenged, and then I brought it about a third of the way in. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using a shade from the palette, and then I'm adding some mascara and lashes, and that is it for this eye look. The mascara I'm using is the Snapscara by Maybelline. It's actually really nice. My lashes, as always, are Salon Perfect 614. The eyeliner I will have linked down below, but this is the finished look. It's so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye, guys!